Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation. Checking out this. I've seen some of these online and this seems like just a really great idea. This is a magnetic dryer vent coupling. If you've ever tried to put in a dryer hose, yeah, mine I've struggled with because it doesn't have a locking thing, so I kind of had to push something in there and then hope it doesn't come out while I'm pushing my dryer back, so it's kind of complicated. Not an easy thing to do, especially with limited space, especially if your dryer is in, you know, just an area where that's all you have is a dryer side. So you try to put that in there, and it's difficult to do, to say the least, if you've done it before. So this kind of solves that problem. It's just like a magnetic coupling. What a brilliant idea. Someone was really thinking. So here we have our vent ties, so that's going to keep our dryer hose on there. And then check this out, the coupling. Oh, that is solid. All right, so what we're going to do is this just installs into the wall. We have a couple screws, gives us some nice anchor mounts and things like that. Just screw that in there. This is perfect for me because I basically just have a hole in my wall right now, and I had to kind of make like just like a cottage cheese container. I had to kind of cut it so it fit in there. It just kind of not working great. So this is important because the smoother the opening, the better the connection, everything like that, the better your dryer is going to work. So without the restricted flow and all that stuff. So I'm going to go install this, show you guys how it's done. But check this out. This is just going to go right on here. It's got plenty of power there for sure. I mean, you gotta kind of push it off to the side and then pull it off. So there's not gonna be any airflow getting in between these. This is very strong, as we can see. It's a perfect fit there. So let's go install this and see how well it works. I'm pretty excited about putting this in. Hopefully, sometimes my dryer says, a smart dryer gives kind of a warning like low airflow or something like that. So that could be contributed to. Obviously, the more bends, the smaller openings you have is going to restrict the airflow. So let's go install this and check this thing out. Okay, guys, here's my my current install. So as we can see, I tried to seal it up as good as I could, but just basically that hole in the wall is all I got. So yeah, we could see it's already kind of not working that great with the duct tape and everything like that. I'm just going to cut this rim off, and that way I can just, this will just go flush onto here, and then I can use my thing to, ideally this would go into there, but it's that black pipe is the same dimensions as this, so. Okay, so I cut the rim off there. And I'm going to have to use cement screws, so that's going to go right about there. There. Looks good. So I need to try to get my marker, if I can, and mark those spots on the wall. Hopefully, I'm writing something. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect. So we got our 4 little marks right there. Did pretty good actually. Now I just got to drill those out. So I opted to go with some cement screws. Okay, so when drilling in, you want to make sure that these go in all the way. I think I can just tap those in with a hammer. There we go, and press those in all the way. Yeah. What you want to do is don't get them all the way in yet first. You want to make sure all your screws kind of go in there. Now, just going to kind of tighten these a little bit at a time. Wow, it's hard, that magnet there. It's really, as you can see, it's really grabbing the edge there, so it's hard to that's solid, guys. All right, and now the easy part attach this onto there. All right, and then we're gonna get our collar tightened down on there. All right, simply turn this, and it should, there we go. All right, friends, we can see that this is super easy to take off and put back on. This magnet's very stout, so pull that off, and then hear that click on there. It's just a super strong magnet. Got our nice, nice pipeline there. As you can see, no issues with stuff escaping or anything like that. One more time, it's almost easier to kind of slide this up and off because you're trying to pull directly off. Is very well. You can see just how strong that is, and it just clicks on there, and that is on there good. It's very difficult to pull this straight off. You pretty much just have to slide it off, but very strong, nice. The pipe is very flexible, goes around where you need it to go, works excellent.